Kita, no, we are our function is both. We have physical exercise and also spiritual exercise. Men, so as Christian, so there is a great benefits for us when we exercise our spirit. And this, if we exercise our spirit by praying, prayer reading and calling, then the Lord, no, the Spirit of God within us will grow, no? Will become healthy. So in our physical body, kung mag-exercise kami so we become healthy, no? Otherwise, no, if we exercise our spirit, dili lang ka healthy, but we have the power, no, we have the real life, we have the power, no, real life, and we have this bountiful supply of the Spirit, mga igsoon. Amen. So, gingon diri ba nga, it is good, but only to a certain degree. So, maayo man ang pag-exercise, pero dili kayo beneficial, no? Beneficial alang na to. Dili kayo siya yung anak ka, dako kayo matabang alang na to mga kasuanon. Men, ang mas importante na to, di ay mga igsoon, is ang our spiritual exercise.